Hello there. I know it's been a while since I've done a video, but I want to come today and do a little bit of PR that was sent to me from Beetles. And they sent me this kit for me to review. And I want to thank Beetles for sponsoring this video. All right, so we have right here, we have I'm gonna turn it around, I know it's upside down. The 20 color gel nail polish set. And there will be a link to all of this in the description bar below. And as you can see, none of it has been opened yet. I'm going to open it on camera. And we've got the Tipex Instant Apex nail tips. And we have the half matte stiletto long. And it comes in 224 pieces in 16 sizes. So let's get busy and open up. Now, first we're going to take a look at the nail tips. We have a little, first of all, in the box, we have the little application guide, which says, be bold, be you, be Beetles. What the top of the box looks like. And it also has the same saying on there, be bold, be you, be Beetles. I already have put on my peel-off base coat on my nails. So we'll be ready. I'm going to try to keep this hand out from under here. But what's in here is the charging wire, the Beetles Tipex Instant Glue Gel, Nail Glue Gel. And I'm so glad to get that. And also, we get a Beetles 100-180 nail file. I'm glad to get that also. And little gel lamp. Now, this is a nice little lamp, and this is the way to charge it. But I'm not going to use this lamp in this set because I have the hardest time fitting my fingers up under these lamps. I do. So, but it does come with the lamp in the kit. And the link for this will be in the description bar below. Now, let's get to all these beautiful, gorgeous nails. And I'm going to move this box out of the way because I have limited space right here. And this box is taking up a lot of it. Okay. Now, put this back this way. These are the nail tips. Actually, they are, okay, it has a little thing, right? Okay, it has things on the side right here, just to keep them in line. But if you can see, I don't know if you can see that, there is a 00 nail. They have 00, and there's 16 sizes. So I'm going to see. Oh, that one is big and it fits. I'm going to have to square it off at the bottom, which I usually do anyway. But those are the nails, and I am so excited to use these. And as you can see, they have the big apex. I'm trying to get it where it won't be blurry. Has the big apex on the side of it. The gel, the application booklet comes in there. So right here we have a 7.5 milliliter matte top gel. We have the 7.5 milliliter top gel. And we also have the 7.5 milliliter base gel. And I'm going to use the base gel today. And we also have these beautiful fall colors in this kit. These are 5 milliliter bottles. This is like a pretty caramel color. I don't think that the camera's doing it a lot of justice. Orange color. Beautiful. I think I've got my eye on which. I think that I want to use the chocolate. I want to use the glitter. And I don't know, I'm thinking I want to use this one.